With a jet spray reaching up to 15 feet away, PT Wasp Freeze II offers immediate knockdown of wasps, hornets, and other pests, eliminating the threat before they have a chance to sting. Wasp Freeze II's far-reaching spray coats dangerous wasp and hornet nests from up to 15 feet away. The best time to apply Wasp Freeze is in the evening or early morning, since wasps and hornets gather in the nest while the sun is down. The residual effects of this insecticide aerosol spray help ensure complete elimination of the nests you treat. Wasp Freeze can also be used on ground nesting wasps and yellow jackets. For these situations, adjust the actuator opening to the opposite position as directed on the product label. Then, from a safe distance of at least 7 feet away, apply the spray using a sweeping motion to any active yellow jackets or wasps seen around the nest opening. With this knockdown complete, move towards the ground nest opening and apply a stream of Wasp Freeze into the nest opening for 6 to 8 seconds. Watch for any remaining active wasps and move away from the nest. Observe the nest you've treated for more wasp activity. Wasp Freeze can also be used to eliminate spiders and their webbing in labeled areas, including black widows and brown recluses. Apply the spray directly to the spiders and their webs from a safe distance, and monitor for further activity in the area. Personal protection, including long sleeves, pants, and closed-toed shoes, should be worn when applying Wasp Freeze insecticide. If you are unable to treat the nests in the morning or afternoon when wasps are least active, consider wearing additional protective gear such as a bee suit before approaching any nest to apply. PT Wasp Freeze II is for use outdoors, in attics, and crawl spaces. It's also safe to use around most electrical equipment. Always refer to the product label before use for detailed application instructions. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.